Alright, so by now you should have went through this guide right here for simulating your code. You should do all these things, you should read this documentation, but here's a quick video of me going through it on my own machine. So you're gonna go and you're gonna say simulate robot code, and it's gonna compile, and you're gonna just hit OK over here. And the GUI is gonna pop up, and what you're gonna do is you first need to make sure that you have this IP set. Once you've done this once, you don't need to do it again, but if you cannot connect properly, make sure that you have the real address set properly. You can connect to the robot using the Command-Shift-K or Control-Shift-K shortcut, or you can go to the drop-down and say connect the simulator. You'll see that the shooter subsystem is publishing keys in the left over here, so you have a bunch of variables. I have dragged in a couple of them. Here's me dragging in another one right there, and it's displayed on the line graph here. I'm going to go into autonomous, and I already have a command set up just on that autonomous bind, and we're going to see here that we have a bunch of values being logged out. There is also a variety of values that are being published not from the subsystem, but from the actual code itself that you may write. So for example, this is some example of statements. They're under real outputs. And we have something such as the angle set point, which is what the shooter is actually trying to go towards. And you can see here, if we zoom in on the graph, that our shooter is trying to go to this position. So there are a bunch of different values that you can drag out and visualize. This is really helpful for testing your code before you actually get on your robot and visualizing. The documentation for AdvantageScope can also be found here, as well as in the actual links which I provide here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The robot simulation, it's just as easy as that. Oh, one more thing. I cannot state this enough. In constant shell Java, make sure you have this set to sim. That is a big source of confusion often. Just make sure that this is set to sim when you try to actually simulate your code. All right, that's it. Happy coding.